Hey, what's up, you guys? Today, you guys are going to watch me organize this linen closet and hopefully get it looking like something because this is a mess. I'm going to use a bunch of Dollar Tree items, starting off with this vacuum storage bag. I've never used these before, so this is going to be interesting to see how many sheets and curtains that I could get into these bags. Okay, 6 sheets later, and I am sealing this bad boy up. I'm impressed. I also purchased this jumbo blanket storage bag from Dollar Tree. You guys, I do not recommend this to anybody. This thing was so paper thin, but I managed to try to make it work. I did rip a hole in it, maybe a hole or two, but no, never again. I would not be purchasing this again. Nope. The rest is pillows and shower curtains, and I don't know, I might go and purchase another vacuum storage bag and put those in there. And then I also have some other blankets that I just rolled up and put them in on the shelf nicely. And then I tried to color coordinate my towels and I don't know, make them look interesting. I also purchased these 2 storage baskets from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to store the rolls of toilet paper in there. And you're not going to see the vacuum storage bags that I used again because I hid them behind the toilet paper. Honestly, I don't remember where I got this strap for hanging things on my door. But I did buy these baskets from Dollar Tree, and I cut holes in the back of them so they can hang on the hooks. And yes, those are mini hotel shampoo and lotion bottles. Yes, I'm very guilty. Thanks for watching. Bye.